Hi, welcome to Rudiments of Poi. Today I'm going to show you how to make some sock poi with weighted handles that are very inexpensive. The whole goal here is to reduce the barriers for entry to learning how to spin poi, and having a decent set of practice poi is a big part of that. You really don't need much. You need a pair of socks, that's going to be your biggest single cost, 4 balloons, 4 zip ties, and some uncooked rice. I usually use about 10 ounces. Now, as far as how much rice to use for your heads and your handles, I usually go for about an ounce in my handles and about 4 ounces in the heads. That's a 4-to-1 ratio for the heads to the handles. And you can try various different ratios there. I've had friends who like to do a 1-to-1, and they want the heads and handles to match perfectly. Honestly, that's going to be a little tough for this handle design that we're going to work out here in a minute, but you will soon see. It usually helps to hold the balloon onto the funnel, otherwise it'll go flying off, and then you can use your other hand to squeeze the rice down into the balloon. We are now ready to construct the actual poi. Drop your head down into the sock first, and then one of your handles, the smaller weighted balloons. Just put it, come on, just put it, alright. Now when we go to place our first zip tie, we want to make sure we give enough excess up at the top of the sock to fold it down over the handle and then fold it back up over the handle again. So 2 little small balloon lengths from the top of the sock is about where you want to put your first zip tie. Now you want to work that smaller balloon all the way up against the zip tie and start adding tension on all sides. Get it really nice and tight up in there. Once it's good and tight, we will fold down the excess over the ball. We want to keep that middle section tight, but then also pull the outside section tight as well. While keeping everything nice and firm, we add that second zip tie to create the base of the handle. After we clip the excess, we just fold over the remaining bit of sock back over the handle, and we have this nice, clean handle with a balanced weight for tosses. Ta-da!